Hello, I'm in my 2026 Toyota BZ. The plan was to show you a commute home from work when roads are slippery. I did indeed get that, but there's also a surprise later in the video. Very heavy snow, almost whiteout conditions. That provided the unexpected opportunity to get footage using X mode. Alright, back to the start here. The intent was to show what happens with efficiency. Slower traffic means longer drive time, which equates to more electricity being used to warm the cabin. The result, overall, is reduced efficiency. It's that miles per kilowatt value on the gauges displayed below. As for the drive itself, much of it is shown at 20 times regular speed. Otherwise, all the stop and slow traffic would be horrible to watch. Here we go. Finally out of the crazy stop and slow traffic. Sure glad that doesn't happen often. Now I can make some progress out of the city. You can see it is slippery from the fresh falling snow. I have the traction I need though. Between the weight and low center of gravity from the battery pack, along with having all-wheel drive, grip and handling is excellent. Back to real-time playback, normal speed. This is exactly what I observe as I drive. Seeing how busy the highway was, I made the decision to take back roads instead. Hope is this route won't be as congested. It'll still be slippery though, but slow is fine along the scenic winter road. Watch that number indicating efficiency, that mile per kilowatt hour value. It should climb now that I'm driving at a steady pace. This is the part of the drive that caught me off guard. You can see how heavy the snow has become on the road. At the corner, when I accelerated quickly to get ahead of the cars coming up the hill, I wasn't expecting the vehicle to slip a little. That was inspiration for this video. It suddenly occurred to me that I could take advantage of X mode. It's a special all-wheel drive setting specifically for dealing with conditions exactly like this. So I pulled over and pushed the button to switch to X mode. Whoa, the snow started to really come down heavy. X mode was working great. I was enjoying the drive with much less traffic. But I suddenly realized filming had already exceeded an hour. That was much longer than planned, and there was roughly 25 minutes to go still. My camera capturing the instrument cluster was likely going to exhaust its charge. Fortunately, I had a battery bank on the passenger seat next to me and no concern about other vehicles. Those sudden bumps you'll see is just me plugging in the camera. It worked. I got lucky. So despite the much longer drive time, this heavy snow was an awesome, unexpected addition to the video. With so much snow falling, yet another opportunity popped up. My back window was covered entirely with snow, but since the rearview mirror is digital, it uses a camera instead. That eliminates seats, people, and pillars from obscuring the view. It also has a pump allowing you to squirt washer fluid to keep it clean, so I took 2 pictures of it to share. The commute home is just about complete. X mode was great. I had no trouble at all with traction or braking. The drive took nearly 3 times longer than usual, but efficiency was still reasonable despite that.